Hi, Jenny here again. Today's subject is a bit weird. It's about vacuum cleaning. I thought I should take the chance now because this is not something that happens so often around here. And the thing is, the dust bag just got filled. I need to change it, and I thought I should talk about it. We quite often get asked, can you use the contents of the vacuum cleaner dust bag in bokashi or in any kind of composting for that matter? And the answer is no, don't even try it. The reason for this is that the contents of this dust bag are really quite disgusting. You know, it's the same everywhere you go. It's like, it's old hair, it's dust, it's bits of old food. It's like, if you have animals, it's animal fur. It's like all sorts of strange, things. And it's just too mixed to make it healthy in the compost. We just don't know what's there. And in addition, hair takes a really long time to break down, and it's not pleasant. But you can collect a lot of heavy metals and all sorts of things that are just not good to have. So this is one of the few things that goes in the actual rubbish, which is kind of interesting because you'll find out if you do bokashi composting for a while and you recycle all your other things, paper, glass, metal, aluminium, blah, 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 you'll find that you have more or less no rubbish left. I think I throw out one small bag every month or two, and this is actually, well, it's not a big part of it because I don't vacuum clean enough, but theoretically it could be. It's quite a big thing. So that's that. The other interesting trick with vacuum cleaning that I do is every now and then when I start a new bag, I suck up some bokashi bran into the vacuum cleaner and into the bag, and it does help the smell. It's quite logical when you think about it, but it's just a little bit weird to do it. So I just take the bokashi bran from the kitchen and just, sprinkle a bit on the floor, and then when I'm vacuum cleaning, and then I just suck that up and it goes into here. And what it does is it just helps with the smell, so it takes down some of the odor that might be in the bag otherwise. Just a small extra interesting trick you might want to try. But dust bags, compost, no, don't do it.